Here's a video of my bank 1 combustion chamber number 4, which has the worst leak down of all my cylinders. I believe this one was 65%. I'll look up the exact figures after this video. So these are the two exhaust valves. I'm going to try to demonstrate this. I'm doing this one-handed, not the easiest thing. So if I take this valve out and I measure it, again, struggling with one hand here, you'll see I get 0.23485, so it's basically 1/10, if you will, under the nominal. Then if I use gauge pins, again, hard to do with one hand, but you'll see if the video picks this up, this is a 237 plus pin. Again, I'm not sure if the video will pick this up, the engraving, 237 plus. If I try to put this down into the valve guide, it'll start because it is a little bell-mouthed, but then you'll see it stops. If I take this out and I grab a 236 pin, again trying to find the mark on here to show you. It's a 236 plus pin. This pin will go in and go all the way down, and I can use a magnet to retrieve it. Okay, so that indicates that this valve guide is not very worn. It's a little over 1,000 clearance. I'm going to put this valve back into this opening. I'll pull this valve out, which is the next exhaust valve. It's a little tight to grip. I'm going to push it up from the bottom. So I'll pull this one out and use the same two pins. This is the 236 pin. It goes right in. Use the magnet. Pull it back out. The 237 pin goes in and stops. It only goes in maybe 1/8 of an inch at the most. Again, if I measure this valve, again, I'm doing this with one hand. Not the easiest. This valve measures about the same, 23485. So you can see I got about 1 thou and 2/10 clearance. This is my worst leak down chamber. Again, my leak down problem I don't believe has anything to do with valve guides. You can see a lot of carbon buildup on the seats, and you can see carbon buildup on the valve itself. I personally don't believe that the valve guides are an issue in this particular car. The issues are carbon buildup, in my opinion. Thank you.